Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on the locations of where Muzan can spawn. One of those locations being right behind Shinobu. Muzan will be standing right here. I know, like, this is where all the demon slayers are, and Muzan will be just standing here like, hello. Yeah, this is kind of a weird spot. I feel like that's one of the weirdest spot Muzan can spawn in. But nonetheless, that is one of the positions Muzan will spawn in. The other one being, right over here, there's like 3 locations very nearby. The other Muzan spot, I'm gonna take you guys over there right now. Let's see. And then right over here, around here somewhere, I believe is gonna be, oh, right here. As you can see, he's already here. Now I can talk to him if I want to. I don't want to be a demon, so I'm not gonna. But this is another spot where Muzan will spawn, and you can like talk to him to become a demon and all that. And the final spot where Muzan will, not the final, but another spot within the 3 of these places. Like, this is the most common place for Muzan to spawn in. And the final spot would be right over there, as you can see where my cursor is, right over there. So now, he wants to attack me, but he's gonna be spawning here as well, like right on top of this ledge. And there are a few more spots, but this tree, it's the most common spot. So if you don't see Muzan in these 3 spots, just choose another server, go to a different server during the nighttime, and Muzan will, I guarantee you, Muzan's gonna be in one of these 3 spots. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.